Okay, sorry my other video got cut off. For some reason, when someone calls me, it just shuts off. But anyway, yeah. We're in the, at the beach. I'm videoing.
Stop!
I'm not. I just need to lose my belly fat. But anyway, the kids love the beach. Look at them. And they don't mind swimming in their sundresses. Because I haven't found any bathing suits that I thought was appropriate. It's just me. I don't judge anybody else for, you know, what kind of swimsuit they put on their kids. The kids, it's their kids. Meaning they do what they want with them. So, yeah. They're in sundresses. There's hubby. 17-year-old. This YouTube, I'm going to put this on YouTube. She say, please don't. They can barely see you, the sun. Wave, Kenny. Wave at YouTube. It is so beautiful out here. It is really, really beautiful. You hate the sand. She has gorgeous hair. I want this hair, y'all. Look at her hair. It's all natural.
Mama, really?
She told me to get a life. Stop it. Bye. You're gonna stop wiping your face on me, little runt.
The bucket gone. Get off that bucket.
Oh, that's what he
I
running. I know. Okay, I'm gonna wash her hair. Did he get it?
I don't think so. Cause I was telling the bucket.
Filming. Can you stop? 18-year-old.
19. She's like 19.
She about to be 19. Okay. Get away from these loudmouth women. Yeah, look at the sand. My ugly toes. This is a beach day. You following me and you talking? I'm trying to video. Hello. We're gonna get one of those. Rent one of them one time. It's beautiful out here. They having so much fun. Look at my 18-year-old. She don't want to get black, as she say. Funny. She say bury her in the sand. Uh-oh, you all right? You got it? Go around, Kennedy, with everybody else.
Here's some good footage for your kids. Look. Come under with me.
Yeah, this is a beach day. I just wanted to show you guys. All right. Talk to you guys later. Here's a view of the beach.